Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. I am here to give you your April 2020 housing market update. Every day I am looking at the market to see what properties are coming on and going off the market, and I am seeing some activity. It is very slow moving because of the times that we are in right now, but things are moving. So there's good and there's bad news I'm seeing for the month of April. I'm gonna give you the bad news first. The bad news is that a lot of people are in fear. Sellers that want to sell, they're scared about having people come into their home. And buyers, they're scared too to go into someone else's home. So there's so much fear and uncertainty in the real estate market in April of 2020. What is the good news? The good news is that we are getting creative and putting safety first, thinking outside of the box. How can we make our clients feel comfortable and really meet their concerns and make buyers feel good about going into a home, making sure that we're taking all precautions to make them feel good, and same with sellers, making sure that we are doing everything in our power to be safe as possible. Some properties that we're putting on the market, we're not even letting buyers in. We are just doing virtual showings. So this is what I mean by thinking outside of the box and being creative. So that is the good news, is that we are still selling real estate, but it is slow and we really have to be creative. So make sure your realtor is tech savvy with the times and really know what's going on in the market. We have a quick success story that I'd love to tell you about that happened this month. We put a property on the market on April 13th, and in 6 days we had 15 showings. 15 showings, and that's in-person showings, 50 plus virtual showings. We've received an offer, and that just shows that buyers are still out there. So when a home is priced well and it looks great, we are doing all that we can to continue to sell properties. So on a weekly basis, starting this week, we are giving you virtual buyer and seller seminars. So what to do when you want to buy a home in today's market, and seller strategies on what to do when you want to sell in this market. So make sure you stay tuned, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and YouTube so you can see all of our videos, webinars, and all of the content that we're providing. We're trying to give you so much value so you know what to do and you can make confident decisions in your moving process. So again, I'm Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Please feel free to contact me anytime. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day, and please be safe.